How to dry cartoon flame. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So today we're going to begin by making our first flame in the center of the page. In total, we'll make a total of 4 flames. To make your flame, you can get as creative as you would like, as long as it looks similar to what you would picture as a flame. Awesome, that looks really cool. Now each one of our flames will be going right behind the next, so they'll be getting progressively bigger. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video of our flame, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawings almost every single day. Fantastic, now we only have 2 more flames to go. Be sure to stick around till the end so that we can color our flame together. Whoa, this flame's going to be really big. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now we just have 1 more to go. And this flame is going to be even bigger than the last one. Now let's just go ahead and draw a line connecting it down underneath of the first flame. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. For the last step, we're going to add a little bit of detail by adding small flames on the left and right hand side. How cool! Now let's just add 1 more on the right hand side. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now let's color in our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.